Welcome back, everybody, to Silver Spoon Theory's Helpful Car Tips here. Just trying to save y'all some money at the old shop because they love to get you on the old filters. So this is the second time around. We're going to do the old engine air filter. This should be replaced every 30 to 45,000 roughly. 30 to 45,000 miles. Sorry about that. Yeah, let's just get right into it. Again, you're going to see how easy this is. And you're going to be like, oh my goodness. So put this over here for now. Set this here. Biggest thing here is you're going to be releasing these clips to get inside. So and you'll hear it. Boom. Here is 3, so 1 on 2 on this side. That's on this side. Alright, this should give us access to open this up. Okay, so we're going to grab that out, just like so. Just kind of seeing how it went in there, right? So, just like this. This is actually not too bad. Here you can see a little bit more on that angle, but let's go ahead and toss it over here. Again, we're going to match it. So take the new one, plop it right in. Make sure, again, it's aligned in there. Align it like this. Okay. Push in while also down. Perfect. Now lastly, latch here, latch here, latch here, and latch here. And you'll go till you hear the click. Boom. Boom. Bada bing. That's not needs. Just make sure she's secure and snug. Alright. Perfect. Again, just checking. Nothing's moving. Keeping it secure. So. But yeah. And just like that, you're done. And you would have paid the shop like 30 to 50 bucks for what, when you literally just took 5 to 10 minutes out of your day to swap that out. But again, that's every 30 to 45,000 miles, so you should be swapping that out. If you like this video, go ahead and smash that like button. If you want to subscribe to our channel, go ahead and subscribe below. So if you want to go ahead and follow us on our fishing and mechanic car maintenance adventures. Peace.